This is my Fibre-Metal pipeliner hood that I got. Now, as you can see, the design of this is very unique. It's a very well-known product. You've probably seen a lot of guys on the pipeline wear them, or they're pipe welders. This is the go-to hood for me as well. The one thing I really like about this hood is that it's built to last. So this has been on a lot of jobs with me, as you can probably tell. It's gone through heat, cold, rain, you name it. And the best part is too, is that it's just built to last. So when you buy this product, you should expect longevity, as I have. And like I said, what's really cool about it is there's no frills. It's very straightforward. So it comes with a standard lens that you're going to go ahead and install through here in the back side. And like I said, I went ahead and converted mine over to a flip because I do a lot of back grinds on bevels. So that's the reason why that I have this on here now, which it does help quite a bit. Overall, it's very light, so you're not hurting your neck when you're welding with this thing all day.